Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I'm coming to you from my bathroom. If you didn't guess that already, I'm in here because I was sent by NowMi their NowMi Pro, which is a cleansing system for your face. Now, this does two things. You can do the weekly application, which is a vitamin C effervescent tablet that you use on your face. We'll get into that one too. And then there's also for daily use. You can use it with their facial cleanser and water. And then it also uses the silicone brush side of the device and it cleanses your skin. So we're going to test that out today. But first, I'm going to show you everything you get in the box. It's a very pretty box. Okay, so this is what the device looks like. You get the cleansing thing here, and then you get this box, which has the effervescent tablets inside of it. So you can see they're right in there, all individually foil wrapped. And then this is the device. So this is the side that you would use for cleansing, and this is the side where you put the little tablet in to do the cleansing. You've got your power button located right on the front, and then on the back, under this little flap, is where you would charge, which the charger is located also in the box. So you have the charger here, and then you get a lubricant gel if you're going to do the vitamin C facial, and then also the facial cleansing gel if you're going to do just your daily cleanser. So you get a good amount of each. It's 3.4 ounces in each one of these tubes. So I'm going to start first by cleansing my skin. And if we read the instruction booklet, because I'm very good at doing that stuff, it says to wet your facial skin with water. Apply a small amount of the NowMi facial cleansing gel onto the NowMi Pro device silicone brush. Switch the power button and feel the sonic vibration. Gently massage the gel into the skin and add more gel onto the brush as needed to cleanse the entire skin. Continue massaging for 2 minutes with the device and then rinse off the skin and the device with clean water at the end of the use. So, I'm sorry, it's going to get a little loud, so I'm just going to be quiet while the water is running here. I'm going to just use one of my makeup erasers to wet my skin. It's what I happen to use to clean my face. Skin is wet. Okay, put some of this gel on there. I don't quite know how much to use, so I did maybe a little bit over a dime size. It's a clear gel. Hit that power button. Ooh, it does indeed massage. And I am paying attention to the time because I have a clock in here. It smells really good. It doesn't have a strong fragrance, but it just smells very clean. I think I need to apply just a little bit more so I get my forehead. Oops. That comes out really quick, so be careful, you guys. If I can turn the water off while I do this. It does a great job of getting into those areas like around your nose and stuff because of the shape. Really get in there and cleanse. I will tell you, I normally do a 3-step cleaning process on my face. So I'm not going to do that tonight because I want to see how my skin feels after this. There we are. We've hit the 2-minute mark. That's what it looks like afterwards. That's what I look like afterwards. So let's rinse this off. The device is totally waterproof as long as you have that plug covered up. You're good to go. I didn't put on makeup today because I wasn't going anywhere, so it's not like I'm trying to take any makeup off. I'm just trying to get my skin clean. My face does not feel squeaky clean and like it was stripped of anything. Well, a little bit in some areas. pretty squeaky clean. But around my nostrils and stuff, that's where I tend to get a little bit oily towards the end of the day. I don't feel that at all. So while I'm still all at her, let's get the lubricant gel, and we're going to get one of the tablets and get this to try. So it is nice. There is a little slot here for you to just tear it. Makes it easier to open, except when your hands are still kind of wet. Or you can just use scissors. How's that? Just happen to have some handy. Okay, so now we're going to turn it over so we have this side. And when I say we, I mean me. I'm the one doing this. You're just watching. Okay, so here's the little tablet. Get my hair off of there. And then press that in. Let's read the directions, guys. What do we do? So insert the vitamin C effervescent tablet into the NowMi Pro device. Done that. Apply a small amount of the NowMi lubricant gel onto the tablet. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, but I did that much there. And now we switch on the power button and feel the sonic vibration. Gently massage the gel on the skin, and then add more gel on the tablet to form a thick layer on the entire skin. Continue massaging the skin with the device 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse off the skin and the device with clean water at the end. So let's get going. Okay, needs more gel. Gel doesn't want to stick to it all that well. As you get into the tablet, I can feel it getting kind of gritty, like an exfoliant. Okay, so the more you use it, the more you feel the granulating, exfoliating beads in it, or whatever it has in it. A little bit more on so I can get that thick layer like it's suggested. I did not pay attention to the time though. Shoot. I'm not pressing hard. You don't need to do that. And you can easily get into the nooks and crannies as well with this. And normally I exfoliate every morning, and I did not do that this morning because I knew I was going to be doing this. This part does not have any scent to it. Since I wasn't paying attention to the time, I'm going to kind of guess that was about 3 minutes. So let me rinse everything off, and we'll see how my skin feels. It's still foaming up, but even after rinsing it off, but that's what it looks like. It's just a layer of bubbles. So there's still plenty of that little effervescent tablet for you to use over again. Probably just want to leave it sitting out and let it get completely dry. Ooh. This feels very nice. My skin does feel very, very hydrated. I guess it's the right word to use. Very hydrated. Let's dry that off a little bit. Nothing looks irritated. Oh, you guys see that very good? Getting all up close and personal this time. Okay, I'm going to move into the beauty room where I have better light, and we'll finish up in there. Hold on. Okay, guys, I have now moved into the beauty room, and you can see I have a lot brighter lights going on in here. I've got my camera pretty close, so you can see a good close-up of everything, but it's time for me to take a peek in the mirror and see how it's all looking. I will tell you before I do that, because it's been about 5 minutes or so for me to come in here and get everything set up. Normally by now, my skin would be feeling like it's ready to start cracking because it gets so dry. I don't feel that at all. I mean, usually that happens within, like, as soon as I get out of the shower, that's the first thing I do is start putting moisturizers and stuff on my skin. So right now it feels very hydrated, very soft, really nice. So love that feeling. Okay. I don't know what I'm expecting it to do, but it cleaned. I feel like my skin's kind of plumped up a little bit. And there goes the neighbor's dog who barks at nothing all the time. So, yeah, I like it. Nothing's irritated in any way. I just have this guy hanging out with me. I think it thinks that it needs to stay with me through the whole quarantine. It needs to go away. So here's what I'll do. I'm going to also leave a link for this down below in the description box if you're interested in getting it. Remember, it's the kit. You get everything you need for it. And I just think it's a great product so far. So I'm going to use this for a couple of weeks, and then I'll do a quick follow-up video with you guys and let you know how it turned out for me. See if I still loved it after a couple of weeks of use. And I want to make sure that I get at least a couple more of those vitamin C treatments into my skin. So I'll be doing those on a weekly basis as well. So if you're new to my channel, or if you're a regular viewer and you've yet to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And I think that wraps everything up for this. I want to thank so much for watching. You got a little bit of a sneak peek at part of my bathroom, but I am still working on getting the whole house completely finished, ready for filming. So that'll be hopefully not too much longer. The guest room is the one that's holding me up. I just haven't been motivated to get in there and tackle that room yet. So I'll insert a picture right here of what it looks like right now. How's that? And then you'll see why I really don't want to go in there. Yeah, it's bad. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. As always, I love you all. So until next time, bye-bye. Okay, guys, I am now in the beauty room. You can tell because there's a lot more lights and the background's changed. So you did get a sneak peek at part of my bathroom. My whole house tour is going to be happening hopefully soon. It's the guest bedroom that's got me kind of uninspired to do much more right now. I'll insert a picture right here so you guys can see why I really don't want to go in there and tackle that project. It's been the room I've been throwing everything into throughout the whole decorating process and stuff. So there's a bunch of stuff in there I just don't know what to do with, but I'm sure I will sometime soon. So anyway, you guys are zoomed in pretty close. That way you can get a good look. And I'm going to take a look in the mirror and see how my skin is looking. It looks very good. Right now, it doesn't feel dry at all. And I will tell you, it's been about 10 minutes since I did this. So I came in here, got everything set up. Normally by now, if I had done my regular facial cleanse, I would feel like my skin was about ready to start cracking and bleeding. But that's not happening. It's feeling very hydrated and very soft right now. Like I said, I didn't put on any makeup today, but nothing's irritated at all. And I'm liking it so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue using this for a couple of weeks. I want to get at least 2 more of those vitamin C treatments in and then use the daily cleanser on my face. And I will do a follow-up on this just to let you know if I'm still liking it, if I've noticed any difference in my skin or not. But just give you a heads up on that. So look out for that in a couple of weeks, which means if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, why not? Go ahead, do it. Hit the subscribe button and, of course, the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I'm also going to leave you a link to the NowMi Pro down in my description box. So at the end of the video, go ahead, scroll down there, go ahead and click. Yes, this was sent to me at no charge, but that doesn't mean that my opinion on it is swayed one way or the other. I don't get paid for this. There's no compensation for me whatsoever other than the free product. So if I didn't like it, I'd tell you so. But so far, I am liking it. Okay, I think that's enough rambling. Let's end this right here. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. And as always, I love you all. Bye-bye. So there goes my neighbor starting their car and turning it off.